Do you want to make thousands of dollars a month working online? So you need to make a very strong website. Follow these steps. 1. Understand how a niche website works. A niche website focuses on very targeted, specific information. The content must be specific, useful, and interesting to your target audience. Successful niche websites get anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 visitors per month. You build content on a particular keyword, and you make passive income with Google AdSense or through affiliate links. 2. Find a profitable niche. Starting with your interests, write down as many niche ideas as you can. Think about topics people might search online. Ideas include passions, like surfing or bodybuilding, fears, like spiders or speaking in front of crowds, and problems, like getting out of debt. Do keyword research to see if others are interested in the topic. Find out if a domain name is available that matches the keyword 100%. Use a keyword research tool to perform keyword research. 3. Set up the site. Choose a website building platform, such as WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal. Next, choose a domain name and web hosting for your site. The domain name is your web address. Web hosting is a service that connects your site to the internet. Once you have your domain name and web hosting, go to the control panel of your hosting account and install your website platform. Design your website by choosing and installing a theme. 6 popular web hosting companies include Bluehost and WP Engine. 4. Create content. Create content that people will find valuable and that will help you rank higher in the search engines. Keyword research can help you to find out what topics people are searching for. Write content on these topics to improve your rank in the search engines. You cannot monetize without any visitors. Use a tool like Market Samurai to do keyword research. Put out advertisements to increase traffic to your site. Create a marketing campaign using social media outlets, such as Facebook or Twitter. 5. Monetize your site. Choose from several different strategies to monetize your website. You can have ads on your website and get paid when visitors click on them. Also, you can promote products, either your own or someone else's, and get paid when people purchase. With Google AdSense, you install some code on your site that allows ads to appear on it. You get paid when visitors click on the ads. You can also sell advertising space on your website. Affiliate marketing means that you promote products for your niche. A link or banner advertising the product is displayed on your site. If visitors click on it and make a purchase, you receive a commission.